What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you'll be changing out your cabin air filter on a Toyota Corolla. It's probably the same from about the 2017 up to about the 2022. The first thing you want to do is just open up your glove box right here. You look over to the side right here. You'll have like a little piece right here. You just want to pull it out on that. Just like that, just pull it out. Once you do that, you just kind of want to come up in here and squeeze, press in on the side like that, on both sides. And once you do that, your whole glove box will come down. What I did was just press in on this side, in on this side, the whole thing drops. And once you do that, you'll look right up underneath here, right here. Right inside of here is where your cabin air filter's at. All you want to do now is just come to these two little pieces, squeeze them together, and just like that, this will come off. This just kind of slides in there like that, and I just squeeze these two little pieces right there that comes off. And if you look right here, you'll have your cabin air filter that's inside of a tray. So all you got to do now is just come in, look at how it went in. Remember that when you put it back in, if you look at the bottom of it, this little bar right here should face towards you when you're putting it back in. So you're putting it back in just like that, in. So once you get this one out, you just have to take and just squeeze it like that. It actually remove out your old air filter just like that. That's the tray that it comes into. When you get your new air filter, you just want to take it. Always make sure that the open spots like this face up. These like that. You don't want to put it in like that. Make sure that this faces up. You then just want to take it, stick it back inside of the tray, squeeze it back inside the tray just like that. Make sure that it's nice and straight, like I'm doing right here. Get it back inside of that tray, and once you have it back in the tray, all you gotta do now is just take it. Once you do that, you just want to take it right back to the opening, slide it back in like that. Take your little front piece, put that piece back on it, put your glove box back on, and you're good. When you're putting your glove box back, all you gotta do is, if you look right here, you'll see these little pieces like this. They just basically snap over top of these things right here, and pretty much you'll be done. Alright folks, once again, this is how you'll be changing out your cabin air filter on a Toyota Corolla. It's probably the same for about the 2017 up to about the 2022. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.